Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Ever received a court order and wondered if it could possibly be valid? Let's break down what actually makes a court order legally invalid, because it's a much higher bar than most people think. First and foremost, the most fundamental reason an order can be invalid is a lack of jurisdiction. This is a big legal word that simply means the court didn't have the power to make the decision in the first place. There are two types. Subject matter jurisdiction means the court handled a type of case it wasn't allowed to, like a traffic court trying to grant a divorce. The other is personal jurisdiction, meaning the court didn't have authority over the person it made the order against, perhaps because that person lives in another state and has no connection to the state where the court is. An order without jurisdiction is considered void, as if it never existed. Another major reason is a violation of due process. The U.S. Constitution guarantees everyone notice and an opportunity to be heard. If you were never properly served with lawsuit papers and had no idea a case was happening, any judgment against you could be invalidated because you were denied your right to defend yourself. An order can also be challenged if it was obtained through fraud, misrepresentation, or misconduct. For example, if the other party lied about their income on a financial affidavit to get a lopsided support order, you could later ask the court to set that order aside based on the fraud. Sometimes, an order can be invalidated due to a genuine mistake, surprise, or what the law calls excusable neglect. This isn't for simple carelessness, but for legitimate reasons why a party couldn't respond to a lawsuit. Finally, an order is invalid if it requires someone to do something illegal or is so vague that no one can understand what it commands. Now, here is the most important thing you need to remember: you cannot be the one to decide an order is invalid. Even if you are 100% certain an order is wrong for one of these reasons, you cannot just ignore it. Disobeying a court order, even a flawed one, can land you in serious trouble for contempt of court, leading to fines or even jail time. The only way to invalidate an order is to go back to court and file a formal motion asking a judge to vacate or set aside the order. You must present your evidence and argue why it is legally invalid. This is not legal advice, and every situation is unique, so consulting with an attorney is always your best course of action. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more simple explanations of complex legal topics.